bkresources.com is an excellent tool for BK Resources sales representatives and customers. In this video, we'll go over many of the great features that can help you get the most out of our website. This video will cover how to check BK Resources live real-time inventory, how to represent or impersonate your customer's web account to check their pricing or place an order for them, and how to check your customer's order history, tracking, invoices, and other detailed sales history. As a sales rep for BK Resources, you should have been supplied with a special sales rep web account, which will allow you to do everything we cover in this video. If you do not yet have a sales rep web account, contact customer service and we'll get you set up. Okay, let's get started. Make sure you are logged in to your rep account on our website. Once logged in, you'll be able to accurately check when a product is in stock, low stock, or out of stock. A green in-stock indicator means there are greater than 5 units available. The orange low stock indicator means there are less than 5 units available. And the red out of stock indicator directs you or your customer to call BK for product availability or alternates. Now let's go over the 2 different ways to check your account dashboard. While still logged in, hover over the profile icon in the top right. In the drop-down, you will see My Account and Represent Customer. Clicking My Account will bring you to your account dashboard where you'll have access to all of your customers' detailed sales history. We'll go over the details of this account dashboard in a minute. But first, I want to show you how to represent a customer. With the Represent Customer feature, you can check your customer's specific pricing, place orders for them, or check their detailed sales history. Let's click Represent Customer now. This will take you to a list of your customers. To act as a specific customer, search for them by customer number, name, or address, and then hit Select. Once you select the desired customer, your web account is now acting as that specific customer. To make sure you are representing this customer, hover over the profile icon and it will show that you are now representing them. You can stop representing them at any time by selecting Stop Representation. While representing a customer, you can now check that customer's specific net pricing. Let's do that now. All of our products show list price and customer-specific net pricing directly on the product pages. Now let's go over the account dashboard. In your account dashboard, you can access current and past orders as well as other detailed sales history. You can access your account dashboard while representing a customer or not. For this video, I will show you the account dashboard while not representing a customer. So let's go to the account dashboard now. Once again, hover over the profile icon and click My Account. This is your account dashboard. Right away, you can see your customer's current open orders. Open orders are orders that have either not shipped or not fully shipped yet. From here, you can select which information you would like to access. The different types of information you can access are shown to the left of your account dashboard. They are My Open Orders, My Quotes, My Invoices, My Return Orders, My Return Receipts, My Credit Notes, and My Shipped Orders. Okay, let's start with My Open Orders. Open orders are orders that have either not shipped or not fully shipped. You can view details of these orders by selecting the View Details on the order. From here, you can see which items have shipped, which have been invoiced, and which are currently outstanding. The next category is My Quotes. From here, you can see any active quotes that are currently outstanding. Next is My Invoices. Through the invoice history, you can see all paid and all unpaid invoices. The total and outstanding total are shown so you know which invoices have been paid and which have not. Moving on to My Return Orders and Return Receipts. My Return Orders are any open returns that have not yet been received into our warehouse. Once we receive the return, it will close out and be shown in My Return Receipts. My Credit Notes will show any credits to your account for whatever reason. You can see the total amount and outstanding total that has yet to be credited. And finally, let's check out My Shipped Orders. My Shipped Orders shows any shipment that has been processed and left our building. When viewing the detail of a specific shipment, you can find your tracking number. Clicking on this tracking number will take you to a freight company that was used for your order. You may or may not have to enter the number on the carrier's website. Thanks for watching.